What is the full form of ATM? Answer B. Automated teller machine. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Answer A. Wireless fidelity. What is the full form of LED? Answer A. Light-emitting diode. What is the full form of OTP? Answer C. One-time password. What is the full form of GPS? Answer B. Global positioning system. What is the full form of OK? Answer C. All correct. Which is the richest company in the world by market value? Answer A. Apple. Who is currently the richest person in the world? Answer B. Elon Musk. What is Elon Musk's primary company that boosted his wealth? Answer C. Tesla. Which city has the highest number of billionaires? Answer A. New York. Who was the first person in history to become a billionaire? Answer B. John D. Rockefeller. BMW is a company of which country? Answer C. Germany. Samsung belongs to which country? Answer B. South Korea. Nestle is originally from which country? Answer A. Switzerland. Toyota is a brand from which country? Answer C. Japan. Rolex is a luxury watch brand of which country? Answer A. Switzerland. Adidas is based in which country? Answer B. Germany. What is the capital city of Turkey? Answer C. Ankara. Rome is the capital of which country? Answer B. Italy. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Answer C. Riyadh. What is the capital city of Egypt? Answer A. Cairo. Moscow is the capital city of which country? Answer B. Russia. The capital city of Germany is... Answer A. Berlin. What is the atomic number of oxygen? Answer B. 8. What is the chemical formula for ozone? Answer B. O3. What is the chemical symbol for potassium? Answer B. K. Which component of an atom defines the element? Answer A. Proton number. What is the main component of natural gas? Answer C. Methane. What is Na in the periodic table? Answer C. Sodium. Which element is known as the king of chemicals? Answer B. Sulfuric acid. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bright Mind.